I'm Wolfman here at Barefoot Bushcraft. One of the most common things we do to create a fire, especially in a colder or a winter environment, is we use our knife to make shavings. And there's a bunch of different ways to do that. Today I'm going to make a quick short video of how to use your knife with one hand only to make shavings that's safe, quick, and efficient. All right, so this is the K-Bar USN Mark 1 if you're really into knives and you need to know. So here's a piece of wood that I split. So normally, you know, you'd baton this, split it with an axe, whatever. And then your next step is you are going to want to make some shavings. So the conventional way to make shavings is to get all of your body parts out of the way. Find your 90-degree angle on your piece of wood and just push, right? And then your shavings are going to come off, right? And you can kind of see that. So I'm not really putting much effort into this, but I'm getting great shavings for very little effort. Yeah, I got a bunch of nice little shavings here. Took almost no effort at all. There was no real labor on my part, just a little tiny bit of swiping the knife up and down on the 90-degree angle of the wood to create a nice pile of shavings. But the next question is, what happens if I'm holding my knife and I can't use one hand? As you can see, I have to hold this piece of knife, this piece down here like this, and I have to, I have to push it. But what if I can't do that? What if I only have one hand? I guess I could try on my knee, but it's, it's going to move around, right? So you're going to get a piece of wood just like this. You're going to take your knife blade. You're going to put the blade of the knife into the wood, and you're going to whack it in a couple times. That way my it's biting in there. See, I can move it around. It's not going to fall out, right? Going to give it a shake. It's not going to fall out. So this is it for this little technique. You put your knife in the wood, right? You put your blade away from you. So my body is back here. You can see there's nothing here that's going to get in the way. I'm going to take my piece of wood. Again, I'm going to find my 90-degree corners, which should be right there. I can even hold it, watch, like this, right? Maybe I can put a foot on it or something right there. And now just pull. If I have the option, I can take one hand and I can put the hand, I'm going to use my hand upside down on it. I'm going to remove my foot now because it's going to stay, right? Just like this. And now I'm making shavings. So there you have it, a quick little technique to make quick shavings, really nice and easy, good and safe. You can see them just coming off here on this piece of wood, right? Just like that, just what I need. So I don't really have to hold the knife down with two hands. Again, I can I could take my hand completely off and I can still make it as long as the knife is going to stay on there. And you can see those beautiful little shavings coming off. What more do I need for a fire? Just hit these, pile these all up, hit them with a lighter or something like that. And basically that's it. That's all that I need. Create myself a beautiful fire with this, even if this wood's a little wet. So I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I'm the Wolfman for Barefoot Bushcraft. Please consider subscribing.